Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Neat World 24. Today we are going to see Physics Class 12 Chapter Wise Important Topics Part 2. This will be the last video for the Physics series in our channel. So this video will have the chapters covered from Part 2 NCERT Physics Class 12 textbook. So moving further ahead, the first topic we'll be seeing in this video is electromagnetic waves. The important topics mentioned from this topic are EM waves, displacement current, nature of the electromagnetic waves. Displacement current is numerical based topic. I hope you'll practice numericals in it, and the formulas, especially the Maxwell Ampere formulas, are very important as they can be asked as choose the correct option, or they can be sums based on the topic. So next chapter is ray optics and optical instruments. Important topics are image formation by spherical mirror lens, power and combination of lens, total internal reflection, and so on. From this, telescope and microscope topics are very important as numericals as well as theory questions can be asked from this chapter. And also other topics can be having either theory questions or even numerical questions. But from this chapter, numerical questions are most expected, and especially combination of lenses or combination of mirror and lenses can be expected. The expected number of questions in this chapter are 3. Next chapter is wave optics. This is also an important chapter which is based on numericals. I hope you'll learn all the formulas and practice a minimum of five sums every day from this chapter once you have completed studying this chapter. The expected number of questions from this chapter are 2. In this chapter, the important topic is diffraction of light, Young's experiment, both double and single slit experiments. And this topic can also fetch you some 8 marks nearly if you are thorough with all the formulas from this chapter. So, next chapter that we'll be covering today is dual nature of radiation and matter. Important topics are photoelectric effects, de Broglie's hypothesis, Davidson and Germer experiment, Einstein photoelectric equation. The expected number of questions from this chapter is 1. So this chapter may not seem that important, but it's easy to fetch marks from this chapter, so I hope you will be thorough with this chapter. This chapter usually numericals as well as theory questions can be asked. Please be thorough with the definitions from this chapter and also the formulas. Definitions can help you in board examinations for CBSE students. Next chapter is atoms. Important topics are atomic spectra, electron orbitals, de Broglie explanation of Bohr's postulate, Bohr model of a hydrogen atom, line spectra of a hydrogen atom. From this, definitely numericals are most important, and please practice all the book bag numericals from NCERT as well as the example sums from NCERT. This chapter can also easily fetch you marks if you are thorough with it. The expected number of questions from this chapter are 2. Please be thorough with all the graphs, diagrams, and also the Bohr series, Bohr's hydrogen atom, and also the spectral line series. Nuclei is the next chapter. It is a very small chapter, though it has a lot of information in it. In this chapter, radioactive decays is the most important as numericals can be asked from that topic mostly. Otherwise, this chapter is very easy, and if you practice appropriate amount of sums and go through NCERT thoroughly, you can easily fetch enough marks from this chapter. You can easily score marks from it. Expected number of questions from this chapter is only 1. Next chapter and the final chapter is semiconductors. This is a very important chapter. 3 questions can be expected from this chapter, and definitely you can expect 1 question from the topic logic gates. Apart from that, you can expect either transistors or amplifiers question. So please be thorough with this chapter too, as this chapter is very, very, very important chapter and can fetch you marks easily. Though there's a lot of concepts in this, it's a very easy chapter. This is just general information about the marks split up in NEET NEET physics. So I've given you number of questions that can be expected from each subdivision, like in case of modern physics, which can include atoms, nuclei, dual nature of atoms and matter, and so on. So please go through that too. Thank you so much for watching this video completely. Please like, share, comment, and please hit the bell button to receive further notifications from NEET World 24. So I hope you like this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.